Can an EB-5 investor invest in a project that already has I-526E approvals? Yes, an EB-5 investor is welcome to invest in a project with previously approved I-526E petitions as long as the subscription period remains open. The presence of previously approved I-526E petitions indicates that United States Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) has deemed the project a compliant new commercial enterprise (NCE) at the time those petitions were adjudicated. However, investors should be mindful that simply because the project already has approved I-526E petitions does not guarantee approval if they file one, nor does it reflect that the investment is safe. All EB-5 investments have a degree of risk attached, as they must comply with the at-risk requirement stipulated by EB-5 regulations. The at-risk requirement does not mean the investor must select a high-risk project, but simply that their investment must incur equal likelihood of financial loss and gain. Furthermore, regardless of the presence of other investors in the project, the new EB-5 investor must account for their own job creation quota. In accordance with EB-5 regulations, the investor must create a minimum of 10 full-time jobs with their investment capital, and these positions must be filled by authorized U.S. workers. To maximize the chances of receiving approval of an I-526E petition, investors must provide documentation that proves their EB-5 investment funds were lawfully sourced. The following are all considered legal sources of funding: an inheritance, a business, the investor's personal income, the profit earned from selling assets, a gift from a family member, or a loan. Investors should also be mindful that the investment process can be long and taxing. Filing the I-526E petition itself can take months, and receiving a decision from USCIS can take years. In particular, prospective investors from oversubscribed nationalities may face increased difficulties in obtaining an EB-5 visa. Given all the necessary documentation is submitted with their I-526E petition, there is no rule that prohibits an EB-5 investor from investing in a project that already has I-526E approvals.